Hey guys, it's naturally Nelly and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell, I got some vlogs. I'm so excited, and let me tell you a little secret. I did it myself for under $40, okay? Okay. So I'm here to tell you all things about this hairstyle, how I did it, where I got the hair from, and how long it took me, okay? So stay tuned and watch. Okay, so I started this hairstyle off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And then I went in with Cream of Nature's leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and I also used a new oil by African Pride. It's a 5 essential oil mix. I'll definitely link all the stuff below. And then I went in with the Cream of Nature's Edge Control in the color black, just to make sure my braids and my edges were nice and lit. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your crochet needle, make sure that it is completely closed like this. And then you're going to want to take that and go through the roots of your braid right here. And then take the faux lock. It has a loop right here. Let's see if I can get this. It has a loop right here that makes it super easy for you to take it through the crochet needle. So once it goes through, it's going to be like that. What you want to do is open it up and put the loop on the needle. Make sure that's locked and pull it through. Okay? And once it's through, you can open it up and take it off the lock. Okay, and then you want to take the loop, just open that up, and take your braid as well as the lock and bring both of them through together, like that. And then just make sure that's nice and tight. And then take the lock and unravel it in its natural curl pattern. So see how it just falls right back? You're going to unravel it in the opposite direction. And just hug your braid. So keep your braid straight. Don't twist with the lock. No, that's not going to work. You want to make sure the lock is going around your braid. So just take that. Take your braid and twist it around it. Okay? You see I'm not really moving my braid except for when I switch hands. So just make sure your lock is twisting around that braid and unraveling it as you go. Just like this. And this is probably the part that took the least amount of time. Braiding my hair, parting my hair, making sure my hair was moisturized was definitely the most time-consuming aspect of this hairstyle, for sure. Keep just going down the braid until you cover the whole thing. Just like that. And then you can do that. Just like that. Okay, so what I am going to do is re-braid this so it's kind of laying more flat. Just do this. So this is my very first time ever doing faux locks, ever having them installed or anything like that. And I've really been wanting to try this hairstyle out, but it was just so expensive. Like every hairdresser that I was talking to was looking for $200 plus. And yeah, like that's how much you usually pay for box braids, but when there's an option to do it myself, I'm definitely going to learn how to do it and just do it. In total, this hairstyle cost me about $40 because I didn't have the crochet needles, and those were about $2, and I bought them in a pack of 2. I wasn't sure what the right size was gonna be because I've never crocheted or I never had a crochet needle. I've never done anything crochet like. So I bought both needles in one pack just to make sure I had the right size, and I used a smaller needle. That was perfect for this hairstyle. And I got the hair off of Amazon, and that was about like $37, $38. So not too bad, and I got 4 packs. Okay, so once again, take your crochet needle closed, put it through, and it opens right away. Take the loop of the lock, put it on that loop, close it, bring it through, take the needle off, bring your hair and the lock through the loop, and then tighten that knot, and then start wrapping the lock around your braid, and just go all the way down. This is such an easy and affordable hairstyle that you can do on your own and not go to a salon and pay an astronomical amount of money. Definitely try it out. It's super easy and don't be intimidated. In total, this hairstyle only took me about 6 hours. In my opinion, that's not that bad. Comment below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.